Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. So Michael at Val5Links on Twitter posted this. Facebook-initiated Diem Association announces a new model for its upcoming stablecoin that is set to be issued by California state-chartered bank Silvergate. We haven't heard much about Diem coin in the last little while, and now there's a new update, guys. So Facebook-backed digital currency project, the Diem Association has partnered with cryptocurrency-friendly bank Silvergate to launch a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Diem announced Wednesday a new model of its upcoming stablecoin, relocating its main operations from Switzerland to the United States and withdrawing its application for a payment system license from the Swiss Financial Markets Authority. So they went from the US to Switzerland, and now it looks like they're going back to the United States. The association, which comprises of 26 financial firms, including NASDAQ-listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, is now planning to move forward with its USD stablecoin plans through the Silvergate Bank, which is set to be the issuer of the Diem USD and will manage the Diem USD reserve. Also, Diem Networks is seeking to register as a money service business with the U.S. Department of the Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. And so here's a quote, guys. "We believe in the future of the U.S. dollar-backed stablecoins and their potential to transform existing payment systems." This coming from Alan Lane, CEO of Silvergate. "We're inspired by Diem's technology and commitment to building a regulatory compliant payment system that offers a safe and secure way to move money." So, guys, looks like Facebook is back in the game with the Diem project. Moving forward on this. Wanted to thank Michael at Val5Links for posting that. I think that this just goes to the point that, in this crypto climate, the big players are realizing that this thing is moving fast, and, they are making moves at a point when everybody is making moves because they do not want to be left behind. Of course, just yesterday we heard the news about Elon Musk tweeting that Tesla will no longer be accepting Bitcoin for payments of their vehicles. Guys, I did a video on that this morning. I'll link it up here if you guys didn't catch it. Much is transforming. And to that point, the IRS also wants to be prepared, so the United States Internal Revenue Agency is prepared to seize the holdings of cryptocurrency owners who are struggling to pay their unpaid tax debts. This is sending a strong signal that the agency is treating digital assets the same as any other type of property that can be confiscated. Robert Wearing, Deputy Associate Chief Counsel for the IRS, told a virtual conference held by the American Bar Association that the government classifies digital assets as property. As such, these assets may be confiscated to satisfy outstanding tax debt that hasn't been repaid. The IRS will seize that property and will attempt to follow its usual procedures to sell it and use it to satisfy collection, Wearing said, according to Bloomberg. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are classified as property from the perspective of the federal tax law, according to a 2014 notice published by the IRS. The agency explained virtual currency is treated as property in general tax principles applicable to property transactions apply to transactions using virtual currency. So companies like Facebook and Silvergate clearly making moves. The IRS obviously poised to take your cryptocurrency if you are not paying your taxes. What else is going on here? Well, Dog Day afternoon as Vitalik dumps multiple meme coins in the name of charity. The dog-themed race up the cryptocurrency charts came to an abrupt halt on May 12th as the majority of the previous hot meme tokens, including Shiba Inu and Dogecoin Mars, saw their prices drop more than 40%, with Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin emerging as the main culprit behind the sell-off. Apparently, what he did was he took the proceeds from these meme coins and donated them to charity. Well, on the surface, that seems very nice, right? XRPCRYPTOWOLF, and I have to bring this up because this is great. Breaking news, Vitalik Buterin rugged all of you dog coin holders and crashed the whole market because he loves cats. I thought that was funny. To the point here, he basically took the proceeds of the meme coins and donated them. So he was donating investors' money who invested in Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or Elon to Mars or whatever the heck they're called, took the proceeds, donated them to charity. On the surface, he looks like a great guy, but really, an XRPCRYPTOWOLF has this down. He rugged all the dog coin hodlers. Meme coins, again, what can I say? Never a good investment. I know you think it's a good investment, but it's not a good investment. And I gotta mention this, guys. Brave integrates .crypto blockchain domains expanding access to Web 3.0. This coming out from CoinDesk. I also want to mention that this is a paid advertisement. I don't do too much of these, but I do use Unstoppable Domains. If you guys are looking for a .crypto domain, you can find an affiliate link in the description of this video. Blockchain domain provider Unstoppable Domains is integrating with privacy-oriented web browser Brave to provide native browser support for .crypto domains. So Unstoppable Domains builds domain names on blockchains, meaning that each domain name is a non-fungible token. So this is not like anything else, guys. They are putting users in control of the internet by supporting .crypto domains. Like I mentioned, these domains are NFTs that you add to your crypto wallet and that are fully owned by you, all right? So third parties can't take these down. The only person that has access to these domains is the person with the private keys, and in this case, it would be you. And finally, Brave has now integrated with .crypto domains. So again, guys, I do have an affiliate link in the description if you guys are interested in an unstoppable domain. I'm going to continue on here, guys. This is from the Cryptic Poet. So Tab Bank selects Ripple partner to help with real-time payments. Tab Bank is a full-service digital bank that services SME customers in all 50 states, and they have selected Valente Technologies, the global leader in cloud payments and financial messaging, to help the bank provide real-time payments over the RTP network to its already digital customer base. As a part of the partnership, Tab Bank will implement Valente US real-time payments as a service, an end-to-end solution for the entire real-time payment processing lifecycle, from initiation through to clearing and settlement connectivity, managed as a service in the cloud, guys. And of course, we all know Valente, a very publicized Ripple customer. Here is just a screen grab, and I've shown this in former videos, a screen grab of a flowchart, the Volpay Ripple processor module and how that works. And also just down here, of course, just another screen grab, the Volpay Ripple processor module speeds integration to the Ripple global settlement network. So Volpay Ripple enabled, and now Tab Bank indirectly through this partnership has the ability to be Ripple enabled as well. Another one from the Cryptic Poet, Ripple partner Finastra today announced the launch of Fusion Originate, a single platform encompassing consumer and business deposits, loans, and mortgages. So more real-world utility through Finastra. Finastra today announced the launch of that, the harmonized user experience for digital online channels, and back office benefits from the expertise of the Finastra UX team and design, thinking to deliver a consistent and simplified user experience with a broad range of functionality. Financial firms have historically had to use different systems for originating loans, deposits, and mortgages, creating different internal processes as well as inconsistent user experiences for account holders. This coming from Steve Hoke, Vice President and General Manager of Mortgage and Lending Solutions at Finastra. He goes on to say Fusion Originate changes all of that. This is a unique offering in the market, providing a single solution for the full spectrum of origination types, so financial institutions can set up their entire digital channel with a common look and feel. And for those of you guys who do not know, Ripple to bring blockchain technology to Finastra's banking customers, this from October of 2019. So again, another example of more integration with RippleNet through these big partnerships that Ripple has already forged along the way. Two great articles there from the Cryptic Poet, so I gotta thank you for that. There was also this, guys, from Michael at Val5Links, MoneyGram. Apparently, MoneyGram has revealed it will let its customers buy and sell Bitcoin at its 12,000 retail locations through the US, thanks to a new partnership with cryptocurrency exchange and ATM operator CoinMe. Now, you know, some of you are thinking, MoneyGram, I'm not too interested in them. They ditched Ripple. Now they're moving to this Bitcoin thing. Is this, are they going to be using Bitcoin instead? No. That's not it at all. MoneyGram sees dollar signs. They see that there is a big push for Bitcoin. They see that right now the financial climate is clamoring towards Bitcoin. Of course, we've got PayPal and other payment providers also jumping on board, and they want some of the action. So MoneyGram has revealed it will let its customers buy and sell Bitcoin at its 12,000 retail locations throughout the US, thanks to a new partnership with the cryptocurrency exchange and ATM operator CoinMe. According to CNBC, now the existing CoinMe users will be able to buy crypto with cash and withdraw it at MoneyGram's brick and mortar locations. And both companies plan to expand their offering to MoneyGram's locations outside of the US in the second half of the year. So this is very, very different from what they were doing with Ripple. I saw this from Bank XRP. MoneyGram's CEO talks about this, and he was actually quite flattering in this interview about Ripple, and he said it was really great for us. Instead of me talking about it, I'm just going to play you guys this clip. Listen to this.
This isn't your first foray into crypto. Of course, you had a deal with Ripple. Is this a replacement of that? That deal has fallen apart, I guess. Is this a replacement of that deal?
Not really at all. What we were doing with Ripple was very different, and actually we were looking at Ripple and utilization of their ODL product and RippleNet to think about the actual flow of the funds, right? With what we're doing with Neil and CoinMe, this is much more about moving fiat into the CoinMe wallet, if you will, and then allowing consumers to buy Bitcoin once it's in the CoinMe network. After that, they can obviously trade Bitcoin, do what they want with Bitcoin, and then if they want cash back, they can actually then sell that in the CoinMe network and then pull that out in cash into the MoneyGram network and into your pocket. So from that perspective, it's totally varying. It's unfortunate what happened with Ripple. It was a great pilot for us and really moved us, I think, progressively forward in blockchain and sort of what was happening in the crypto world. And obviously with the challenges that they're facing today with the SEC and government regulation, which continues to be a big topic in the crypto space, it made it very difficult to continue to operate, particularly in the United States. But we'll see where that goes down the road. And I do think that there is a continued future and an opportunity in blockchain and perhaps in crypto as well, in terms of ledgers and movements and settlement and flow of funds.
So Alex Holmes clarifies, not one and the same. The Bitcoin thing, more along the lines of what PayPal is doing, allowing their customers to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and then selling at their brick and mortar locations if they want to take out the fiat. But their trial with Ripple, clearly a great pilot for them, as he mentioned, really moved us forward with blockchain and cryptocurrency. And, it was only because of the lawsuit, the SEC lawsuit, they had to halt operations. And so, they parted ways. It was amicable, as far as they're letting us on to know, at least. And so, MoneyGram, more power to them moving forward, still getting into the crypto game. And I have no doubt that they could possibly talk to Ripple about going back on ODL once this SEC lawsuit is all said and done. And no, guys, your eyes are not deceiving you. This is a study using crypto for the Internet of Things, comparing Ethereum, IOTA, and XRP for streaming payments. Most interesting, ETH faster than IOTA, but the conclusion is we can affirm that at least for now, the Ripple network is the best qualified for use on the Internet of Things ecosystem, guys. This from MDPI.com, brought to us by Wrath of Kahneman. He posts a chart here, which shows us average transaction times. Ripple down here at 8.9 compared to Ethereum 130.62, and IOTA up here at 329.95. That is the time in seconds. So if you guys were wondering, this is from the MDPI, advancing open science for more than 25 years. This is a third party that publishes scholarly reviews of all things science, right? The MDPI is a pioneer in scholarly open access publishing and has supported academic communities since 1996, so over 25 years. And so what these guys are stating in this latest study, proposal of an economy of things architecture and an approach comparing cryptocurrencies, they have actually looked at Ethereum, IOTA, and Ripple and have concluded, as per that quote, that the Ripple network is the best as of now, at least. They say as of now. But let me just point out over here, guys, this was received on March 31st, 2021. It was accepted a month later on April 30th of 2021 and finally published on May 7th of 2021. So this is a very recent study. The abstract states in the present computational scenario, one can perceive the emergence of cryptocurrencies and the increased utilization of IoT devices, which are pushing to new challenges, opportunities, and behavior changes. It is still not known how these technologies will impact the current business and economic models. In this regard, the study proposes an economy of things architecture and an approach comparing several cryptocurrencies. Therefore, the proposed architecture aims to use these new opportunities to enable device-to-device or D2D interaction based on this novel paradigm called the economy of things, or the EOT. An experimental environment was conducted to compare characteristics of the cryptocurrencies Ripple, IOTA, and Ethereum. Of course, they are calling it Ripple, but what they mean is XRP. The initial results show several interesting differences related to the transaction costs, errors, speeds, and threads. And so, guys, I will leave this PDF in the description of the video. It is quite lengthy, about 18 pages. Well, I guess not that lengthy, but if you guys want to go over the information, it's all here. What I wanted to really point out was down here at the bottom. On page 17 of 18, the conclusions and future work. So down here they state, furthermore, based on transaction time charts in figures 5, 7, and 10, one can see that Ripple has a more stable path on transaction time. We concluded that even charging some fees, the Ripple network has a higher potential to be used in IoT device transactions. Taking into account the time rate and the network stability, we can affirm that at least for now, the Ripple network is the best qualified for use on a real IoT ecosystem. Boom goes the dynamite, the MDPI, stating it, and these guys have been part of the scientific community in academia for about 25 years now. Huge find by the Wrath of Kahneman, so I gotta thank you for that. So Ripple and XRP, blowing the competition out of the water for many different things, guys. It's not just payments, but it's the Internet of Things. Everything can be transferred on the XRPL. There are now even scientific reviews from independent bodies suggesting the same. And so I have no doubt, I maintain that I am an XRP hodler and happy to be one. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.